Question 1. She dashed to school every day.
A. Go. B. Goes. C. Went.
Answer is B. Goes, simple present. Question 2. We dashed a movie last night. A. Watch.
B. Watched.
C. Watches. Answer is B. Watched, simple past. Question 3. He dashed coffee every morning. A. Drinks.
B. Drank. C. Drink.
Answer is A. Drinks, simple present.
Question 4.
They dashed football yesterday. A. Play. B. Played.
C. Plays.
Answer is B. Played, simple past. Question 5. My father dashed in a bank. A. Work. B. Works. C. Worked. Answer is B. Works, simple present. Question 6. I dashed my homework last evening.
A. Do. B. Did. C. Does.
Answer is B. Did, simple past. Question 7. The sun dashed in the east. A. Rise. B. Rises. C. Rose. Answer is B. Rises, simple present. Question 8. She dashed her grandmother last weekend. A. Visits. B. Visit. C. Visited. Answer is C. Visited, simple past. Question 9. They dash English every day. A. Study. B. Studied. C. Studies. Answer is A. Study, simple present. Question 10. He dashed to Delhi last month.
A. Goes. B. Went.
C. Go. Answer is B. Went, simple past. Comment your score. Like and subscribe for more English quizzes.